Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Xbox Insider Hub not working on Windows PC. So click on Start, now Settings, and here you have to click on Apps, Installed Apps. Now search here Xbox. So you will see Xbox Insider Hub. Click on this three dot Advanced Options. Now here, firstly try to repair. If repair method not work, so you have to reset. Simply just click on reset. And once you're done, exit and restart your system. So this is the method guys, you can fix and resolve Xbox Insider Hub not working on Windows PC. Thanks for watching.